Okay, it was a plot twist that we did not see coming and we did not expect to happen at all. So, recently, the Miss Universe Thailand franchise has been moved from TPN Global and has been transferred to the MGI owners, Nawat Itzar Girisil and his organization. So, ano yung ibig sabihin nito? Suddenly, we are now hearing the rumors that allegedly $1 million US has been in the works in terms of the franchise fees, kaya nalipat kay Nawat yung franchise. So, was this surprising? Not really, because we now know and it becomes even more apparent that the Miss Universe organization is an organization that is in need of, or rather in desperate need of cash, of money, and it goes to show that nowadays pageants can be transactional and loyalties can be tested if you're not able to deliver, the financial rewards or the financial negotiations that is expected by the organization. Sa tingin ko, magandang move that we are now able to see this, na nakikita natin ito ng transparent na usapang pera ang nagpapagalaw sa mga prangkisa ng mga organization, because it tells us that we are now at the era or at the age that the pageant systems or the pageant industry is moved by financial forces, and it also allows us to be able to process, to be able to, at one point we need to accept that nowadays pageants are a huge business, and we have to respect that, because that is something that is going to be a mainstay, a reality for everyone in the industry.